What?
You see the strawberry?
The what?
The strawberry.
What's that?
The red one.
The what?
The red one.
The red one? Where?
The basket yata ko.
What are you gonna show me? Your knife? Bawal ka naman sa knife eh.
See with this.
Anong hinahanap mo? Balat? Saan na yun? Anong ginagawa mo?
Ito na lang.
Yan na lang.
Yan na.
What will you cook?
I need the green one.
What green one? This one. Ito. Me?
I'm gonna wash them first.
You're gonna wash them first? Okay. Well, you wash them na. Ketchup? Is that ketchup?
No.
What's that?
Oil.
Oh, oil. Shallot ketchup. So you're washing the grapes. Ay, walang tubig.
Pretend lang.
Ah, okay. Pretend lang. Sorry naman. Okay, tapos what's that?
Bell pepper.
Bay pepper?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper?
Yung kung steak ba?
Tapos uupo ka?
Gusto chopping board.
Ano pa yung kailangan mo? Chopping board. Where's your knife? Oh, it's where? Ah, it's there. It's there. Linis mo rin yung chopping board tsaka knife.
Kasi it's so dirty.
Uy, kapagal mo mami along, bes. Puro kalinis. Pagpag na pa eh. Ala, nalaglag yung grapes. Ay, wash mo ulit yan. Madumi yan. Okay, and then?
Chop, chop.
Chop ka.
My knife.
Where's your knife? Hinugas mo pa lang yung knife. Where is it? It's under the chopping board, I think. Taas mo, chopping board. Yeah, di ba? Okay, how do you chop? Baliktad ba yan? Wow! Wow! Okay.
Pretend.
Wow! Oh, galing! Anong food yan? Ba't puro fruits? What do you call that? Eh, di mo nilagyan ng oil.
When I cook.
Ha?
When I cook.
Ah, when you cook. Okay.
Pancit.
What's that? Pansit? Pansit na fruits? Anong klase yan?
Mother, I will cook the pancit.
Ah, okay. Ala, dirty na yung pansit. Wash mo muna. O, tapos,
I need to use this one.
okay.
Then turn on the light. I turn on this first.
Wow! Wow, galing! Wow,